you like me and just found out one of your cylinders aren't firing with the others, even though it runs very good no matter what, apparently? You can still do burnouts and everything? Well, I'm going to show you how to test your coil pack and rule out that for a spark. So, first what you got to do, of course, go to your coil pack and get your spark plug wires. Of course, take those off. And then the bolts. Zip, zip, zip. And yeah, zip. And then you pull it off. Well, disconnects the connector first. And then you pull it clean off. And you take it to the bench. Now that you're in your workspace, you want a voltmeter. And you want it to be turned to about 20k ohms. So, now you're at 20k ohms. You have set 1, set 2, set 3. Okay, you're positive on one set, negative on the other side of the set. Okay, now what does this one read? Make sure it's in there good. And wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Alright, let's try set 2. Wait 3 seconds approximately. There's your reading on that one, 1328. Alright, set 2 is reading. Let's try set 3. Wait 3 seconds. 13.0. Let's try number 1 again. Try set 1. This is for cylinder 1 and 5. As you can see, there's no change. No change. So guess what? I have a bad coil pack. Installation is just the reverse of deinstallation. Easy stuff. Now you're ready to repair your own car. Or coil pack anyway. And remember, on installation, sensor goes in front of you. And spark plugs, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay, one more thing. If you really want to go the extra step and see if it's faulty, you can get your 5/8 spark plug tool and unplug your spark plugs that are showing as faulty. In this case, 1 and 5. So, we want to pull these, 1 and 5. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. You got some faulty plugs there. And the verdict is, yep, I am missing some spark. For sure. Coil pack confirmed. Because these wires are brand new, 1 day old. So, coil pack it is. And that concludes how to diagnose a faulty coil pack. Later.